welcome back to my channel. So today is a video about MSW logo. I made a video telling how it was. So now I'll tell the basic commands and how to make a square in MSW logo. So let's get started with the commands. So first command is the forward command. So first I'll tell you what are these things and this mouse pointer in MSW logo. So this is a turtle. This is a turtle which means executes and does the work that we type here. Means it shows us the display. Like if I type FD100, that's a command for forward. It has created an for line. So it's like a pencil. It's a pen or a pencil. So here we get saving, and here we get for decoration. Like I can change the pen size. Here I can change. There are many things I'll tell you later. So here's the zoom. I can zoom in out and I'll normal. And this is the help. Here you will get a demo tutorial and things. And let's get started with the basic commands. So the basic commands here are FD100, in which what happens, I forward, FORWARD. We don't write forward, backward, right, left, hide, and these things. We write the short form. Like FD is the command for going forward, and then after we have written FD, we make a space and type how many steps we want to go forward. So I want 100 steps, so it has created a line. I can write again here FD100. It has make another line. So then after FD100, we've got a command that is BK, means backward. So the short form is BK. And then again we write how many steps we want. I want 100 BK. So it has taken the turtle down backwards. Uh, then and I can do again BK 100. It has gone more down, as you can see. I'm resetting it. And now we got another command that is LT, means left turn. L for left and T for turn. And then here we write the degrees. So it's just like if I want to turn I want to turn this turtle 15 degrees, so I write 50. LT 50. So it has turned 50. And LT again 50. LT 50. It's 500 now. Sorry. LT 40. Oh, sorry. LT. And now after LT command, we've got our right turn command. What R for right and T for turn. So then again we write uh how many steps or degrees we want to turn. So I want to turn it 50 degrees on the right. So it has turned 50 degrees on the right. I want now mm, 200 degrees on the right. So as you know, there are 360 degrees angle. So it also works on 360 degrees angle. So now it is time, guys. We make a shape. So we'll make a square shape. So for the command to make a square shape is FD100. First we write FD100. Then I will do right turn 90 degrees, right turn 90, right turn 90 degrees, and then again FD100, again RT90, and again FD100, then again RT90, then again FD100. So here we have make a small square. So we can increase the height of the square by increasing by we can by increasing this. So I can make another square. So like this I have make a square. So guys, this was all for the video. Like, share, subscribe, and comment how did you like this video, and give me some of the uh, give me ratings, as you know, and share it, of course, so more people can learn coding. And if you're on Scratch, please follow my ID, like my projects. So guys, that's all about my video. Bye bye guys, see you in the next video of MSW Logo, gaming or coding. Bye.